Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Pro. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. And after that, do not close the case. You need to press and hold this connection button at the front of the charging case. So you just press and hold it until these LED lights turn off. It's something like 10 seconds. Here we go. Now we can release the finger. And firstly, we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So go to the settings, click Bluetooth, and right here you need to click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click pair a new device, and after that these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically. So just tap on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!